Keeping a white carpet looking fresh and new requires regular maintenance and careful cleaning to prevent stains and discoloration. Here are some tips to help you maintain a pristine white carpet. 1. Regular vacuuming. Vacuum your carpet at least once a week, or more frequently in high-traffic areas. This helps remove dirt, dust, and debris before they have a chance to settle into the fibers and cause discoloration. 2. Immediate stain treatment. Deal with spills and stains promptly to prevent them from setting into the carpet fibers. Blot the stain with a clean white cloth or paper towel to absorb as much of the spill as possible. Avoid rubbing, as this can push the stain deeper into the carpet. 3. Use the right cleaning products. Choose cleaning products that are specifically formulated for use on carpets and safe for white or light-colored carpets. Avoid using bleach or harsh chemicals, as they can damage the carpet fibers or cause discoloration. 4. Spot cleaning. For small stains or spills, spot clean the affected area using a carpet stain remover or a mixture of mild dish soap and water. Test any cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area of the carpet first to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration. 5. Professional cleaning. Schedule professional carpet cleaning at least once a year, or more frequently if your carpet experiences heavy use. Professional cleaners have the equipment and expertise to deep clean carpets and remove embedded dirt and stains effectively. 6. Protect high-traffic areas. Place rugs or carpet runners in high-traffic areas, such as hallways and entryways, to protect the white carpet from excessive wear and tear. Regularly rotate rugs to distribute foot traffic evenly. 7. Remove shoes. Encourage family members and guests to remove their shoes before walking on the carpet to prevent tracking in dirt and debris from outside. 8. Regular maintenance. Keep the area around the carpet clean and tidy to minimize the transfer of dirt and dust onto the carpet. Regularly dust and vacuum the surrounding area, including baseboards and furniture legs. 9. Sun protection. Protect your white carpet from sun damage by using curtains, blinds, or UV protective window film to block direct sunlight. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause fading and discoloration over time. By following these tips and incorporating regular maintenance into your cleaning routine, you can keep your white carpet looking fresh and new for years to come.